Yes, okay, so I'm gonna quickly show you that how to set up a pop-up on a click of a button. So that's what I'm gonna do in this video. So when I want this one, I want when user click over this button, actually want the pop-up to appear with the two options to show them different two calendars, and because there are two different calendars that we need to set up on this click of a button. Anyway, so here's this solution for that. There's a plugin called Popup that you will need to buy. I don't think it costs a lot, but it's just about $70, which is cheap. Anyways, I'm just gonna hit download button, and I'm gonna quickly download this one. I think I do have it already, but I'm just quickly download the latest one. Anyways. So here it is. This one is the old one. I'm gonna just delete this. Actually, that's itself a zip file. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna rename it. The old version I have, so I'm just gonna delete this one as well. Now that I have it here, I'm just gonna upload this to the website, dashboard, and go to the plugin, add new plugin. And I'm gonna upload this one. And once it's done, we're gonna have a new menu up here which says WordPress. We can just create a pop-up button from there. So once it's done, I'm gonna quickly show you. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna quickly activate the button. Okay, so that's done. So here's the WordPress. I'm gonna click edit, and let's see. I'm gonna create a new one by clicking this button. So I'm gonna just name it. And that's it. Now I want this to be a button, so the pop-up tab, I will just select a button, and I can even select the image, and I can just upload this as an image there, so that will work as well. But I think I can just make a similar button, so I'm gonna just do that. And let me just copy the whole styling and everything. Button text, button title. Okay. Okay, I'll click, and okay, from here we can do the styling of the button. So currently, if I just publish, you will see the styling of the button here. So currently it looks like this, and that's what we want right now. So I'm gonna quickly move this on another screen to copy the styling of the plugin, and I'm gonna quickly paste it over here. Okay, I think that's about it. I'm just gonna quickly update just to see what we have now. Okay, that's the button that we have right now on the home page, and I think the styling is pretty much a match. I don't think the home page one has the radius. I'm just gonna remove the radius from this one. The radius is going to be 0px. And yeah, that's about it. I think the homepage one is not a bold as well, so I'm just gonna copy the styling of the font as well. Let's see. Okay, I think it's pretty much matched. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna quickly copy this, and now wherever I just paste this shortcode, it's gonna appear the pop-up, and pop-up will appear actually this area. So I'm just gonna copy this and update. Now I'm gonna hit add page, and this theme is actually pretty built over the Divi theme. I don't personally like the Divi theme because I think it takes a lot of the time to load and all. As you can see, the page editor is still loading. I don't like that. Anyway, so I'm just gonna upload the buttons. So yep, this is done here. Schedule sure. Yep, I think here this is the one. So I'm just gonna paste the shortcode up here, and I'm just gonna copy this into a notepad file just to save it. I'm gonna save, update, and gonna hit the refresh button just to see what we have here right now. Okay, we have a button here, and I think there's a border in the one that we need to remove, and we need to change the whole style of it. I'm just gonna hit click so you guys can see here it's pop-up. Anyways, I'm gonna quickly fix this. Let me remove the border. And that's done. Cool. And I think this one can actually do this 300, not 400, not 500. I think 500. And I think that I need to reduce the size of this one as well, so it matches with the one that is on the left side. Margin, no, I don't need to play around with the margin, but I can play around with the padding. Okay, I think this looks about right, so I'm just gonna copy this one. I think we do have a padding here. It says 15, so I'm just gonna change this to 12. I'm gonna hit the update button, and I'm gonna refresh the page once again so we can see what we have. Okay, I think that's now fixed. I just need to remove this hover effect. Let me actually do that. This hover effect is actually causing the home page. Okay, here's the hover effect. So I'm just gonna change this to this one. And border color, no, we don't need to have any border color, so that's good. And I'm gonna hit the save button once again, and I'm gonna refresh this page once more. I think I need to remove the border from the hover state as well. So border bottom 0px. That should fix it. Yeah, the basic part is on the click of a button we can display any content or anything what we want. So yeah, I think that's about it. I'm not sure why I'm just going keep making the video. So yeah, I think it helps. And so whatever you text you want to appear here, you can just change it over here. Even currently I'm actually planning on having the two buttons here. One says the download calendar for 2018 to 2019, and the second one would be for I think 2020 to 21. Yeah, but that's about it. Thanks. Bye bye.